Now this looks like fun. But guys, playing in the mud is very messy. I think this is going to take some serious washing and scrubbing. We need to build a car wash. Ready to work? It looks like the pieces are all here. We just need to put them together, okay? Good job with the plumbing, Ed. That will provide the water. Billy and Charlie are working together on the framework. Isn't it amazing to see how quickly the work gets done when everyone is doing their part? Great job! Almost finished. Once these fans are in place, the car wash will be ready for its first customer. All right, Charlie, you get to go first. It looks like Charlie is enjoying his scrubbing. Does it tickle, Charlie? Who's next? Wow, Ed's being very nice, allowing Billy to go next. Come on, Billy, don't be afraid. It feels pretty good to get cleaned up, doesn't it? And now it's Ed's turn. It's amazing how good it feels to get clean. See you next time, guys. Hi, friends. Having fun at the amusement park? We'll have even more fun after we finish today's assignment. We're building a roller coaster. We have all the track pieces, but we need to put them together. Can you do that? That's the way, guys. Make sure you place them in the right position, Charlie. Looks like Billy the bulldozer and Ed the excavator may need a little help from Charlie the crane to reach the high parts. Great job, guys. Now that is teamwork. There they go again. Billy just loves to play. But it's not time to play yet, Billy and Ed. We still have work to do. Nice job, guys. Let's place the cars on the track next so everyone can ride the roller coaster when we finish. A big car for Charlie and 2 smaller cars for Ed and Billy. Almost finished. There, all the pieces of the track have been used. But wait, one piece appears to be missing. Can you find it? There it is. Hey, ice cream truck and gumball machine, find somewhere else to play ball. We need that piece of track to finish the roller coaster. Perfect. Time to ride. Hold on tight, guys. Wow, that looks like fun. Whew, what a... Hello, Charlie the Crane. We have a very important job today. We're building a fire truck. Ed the excavator, Billy the bulldozer, ready to help? Let's get started by putting on the wheels. Uh-oh, that didn't work well. Maybe Charlie can lift the frame while you put the wheels on. Wow, Ed, you pushed too hard and the wheel fell off the other side. Oops, did it again. Maybe you two should work together. That looks great, but we need more parts. The cab, the turret, and a nozzle. Perfect. First, let's add the main body of the truck. Then the turret, so we can aim the water at the fire. Next, we need to be able to get water to fires in tall buildings. This piece will work just like Charlie's crane, but it will spray water from the end. That looks great! Look at Billy. That looks like fun. But let's finish our fire truck first. Next, we add the cab, where the driver sits. All done. We need to try it out. Works great on a short building. Look at that! It can reach to the top of the taller buildings too. Wow! Great job, guys! Today, we're going to make the neighborhood look pretty by planting trees along the roadway. This is going to take teamwork. Ready, guys? Let's go! Great job, Ed! That's the perfect spot for the first tree. But which one should we plant first? The big one or the small one? Great! We'll put the big tree here. Good work, guys. Now let's plant the second tree. Which tree goes in this hole? We had 2 big trees and 2 small trees. So let's put a small one next. Time to plant another one. So do we use the small one or the tall one? Great idea, Ed. We're down to our last tree. Great job, guys. But look, there's still a lot of room left with no trees. Great idea. We can go to the tree farm and get more. But which one should we get? Charlie, maybe you should ask Ed for help. But where is Ed? Oh, he must be here somewhere. Maybe he's hiding. I don't see him or Billy. Let's keep looking. Great catch, Charlie. Now to find Ed and then get more trees. These look perfect. We can load the new trees onto your truck bed, Charlie. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. All done. Have fun planting, guys. See you later. Hi, Ed the excavator. Are you looking for your friends? Billy the bulldozer and Charlie the crane are just down the street at the pumpkin patch. What are you going to do with all those pumpkins? Ah, I see. You made them into jack-o'-lanterns, and now you're going to decorate this castle for Halloween. Let's get started. This looks like the perfect place to put one. Good job. That's a nice touch, Charlie. They'll look pretty scary right by the front gate. Whoa! That one got you, didn't it, Ed? Almost finished. Careful, guys. You don't want them falling off the roof. Great teamwork. And Charlie has more decorations to unload. Ooh, those bats will look pretty scary on the castle wall. And Charlie is adding giant spider webs and spiders. Good work, guys. The castle is ready for Halloween. Whoa! What is that? A ghost? Run, guys, run! Wait a minute. That's not a ghost. It's only Charlie playing a trick on us. All the decorations are in place. Now it's time to put on costumes and go trick-or-treating. Great costumes, guys. Charlie the mummy, Billy the bee, and Ed the devil. Trick or treat. Thank you, Gumball machine. Wow, candy for Billy. And ice cream for Ed. Happy Halloween, friends. See you next time. Park. Let's get started. Way to go, Billy the bulldozer. You rang the bell. And look, you caught something in your bucket. Maybe that's part of this unfinished truck. Looks like there are still some pieces missing. Can you find them? What's that, Ed the excavator? You see something in the tent? You were right. Tires. They must go on the unfinished truck. There goes Billy again, going up the big ramp. Wow! Look at that giant ice cream bar. Whoa! That was fun. Hey, Charlie the Crane, you see something on the Ferris wheel? I wonder what piece this is. It looks like the cab where the driver sits. Let's go put the pieces together. Great job, Billy. Way to go, guys, working together as a team to put the tires on. What are you going to do with the giant ice cream bar, Billy? Great idea, Charlie. It goes on top so people will know this is an ice cream truck. Now that the doors are on, we're all done, right? No? Something is still missing? Let's keep looking. Hey guys, Charlie thinks there might be something in this big swing. He's right. Great work, guys. Hooray! It's a freezer full of ice cream treats. Let's load it into the ice cream truck. All finished. Now it's time for a treat. Ice cream for everyone. The work is over for today. Time to have some fun on the Ferris wheel. Thanks, everyone. Goodbye. See you next time.
Hi, Dino. How are you? Dino, would you like to learn different cars with us today?
Woohoo!
Great, but I have to tell you something. All cars are hidden, and we have to find them first. A fire truck. A police car. An ambulance. A garbage truck. A bulldozer. A truck. Well done, Dino! We learned so many car names today. Would you like to sum up? Fire truck. Police car. Ambulance. Garbage truck. Bulldozer. Truck. See you soon, my friends.
Hi, friends. Ready for another great day at the amusement park? Great. But before we play, we have work to do. Today, we will build a giant gumball machine. So first, we have to find all the pieces. Do you see something, Ed the excavator? Billy the bulldozer can give you a boost. Looks like a big red stopper. Let's put it over by the tires. There must be more pieces around here somewhere. Keep looking. Hey, Charlie, what's that on the merry-go-round? It's the body of the truck that makes the gumballs. Let's go start putting it all together. Way to go, Charlie. Great job holding the truck body while Ed puts the wheels on. Billy, are you going for a ride on the Ferris wheel again? Oh, there's a piece of the gumball machine on the Ferris wheel. Ed has found something big and round like a ball. Bring it to the truck and let's see if it fits. Perfect. And Billy found the bumper. Now we need to fill it with candy. Billy, you think we should fill it with balls from the ball pit? No. Ed, do you have a better idea? Wow, you found containers full of gumballs. A green one, a red one, and a blue one. Let's take them to the gumball machine and fill it up. Charlie can lift the small containers and pour them into the big container. Blue, red, and green. Now the lid goes on and we're all finished. Candy, anyone? Great job, guys. It's time to have some fun at the amusement park. See you next time, friends.